The Simple Deluxe 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker is designed for convenience, durability, and versatility. Built with a sleek stainless steel exterior, it resists rust and stains, ensuring it looks as good as it performs. Its modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen while supporting years of reliable cooking. This pressure cooker is not just about looks. It's engineered to simplify everyday meal preparation while maintaining quality. Families who want both style and functionality in their kitchen will find this cooker a valuable addition. Cleaning is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but this multi-cooker makes it effortless. The inner pot is non-stick, so food doesn't cling to the surface, and both the pot and lid are dishwasher-safe. That means no more scrubbing or soaking. Just pop the pieces in the dishwasher and move on with your day. This feature alone makes it a time saver for busy households, especially after preparing big meals. Convenience is clearly at the heart of its design. What truly sets the Simple Deluxe apart is its 12-in-1 functionality. More than a pressure cooker, it can sauté, steam, slow cook, and even prepare rice, porridge, or cake. With such versatility, it replaces multiple appliances, saving both space and money. The 6-quart capacity is large enough to cook up to 10 cups of rice, several pounds of meat, or even a whole chicken, making it perfect for family dinners, small gatherings, or even outdoor parties. This all-in-one appliance adapts to a variety of cooking needs. Safety is another area where this cooker excels. With 16 built-in protection features, including a pressure release valve, safety lock, and overheat protection, it ensures every meal is cooked with peace of mind. Users can cook confidently, knowing the appliance is designed to safeguard against accidents. Combining durability, convenience, multifunctionality, and safety, the Simple Deluxe 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker stands out as a dependable kitchen companion for everyday cooking.